Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Looking to protect your home with ease and efficiency? Best outdoor wireless security cameras offer seamless installation, reliable monitoring, and advanced features like motion detection and night vision, ensuring your property stays safe and secure around the clock. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight Camera. The Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight camera is a premium outdoor wireless security camera that offers impressive 2K HDR video quality, allowing you to monitor your property with remarkable clarity. Whether you're keeping an eye on your home or checking in on your backyard, the 2K resolution ensures every detail is crisp and clear. The camera supports zooming up to 12x, making it easy to identify faces, license plates, or other fine details. With high dynamic range, or HDR, you can capture both the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows, giving you superior visibility day or night. Connectivity is simple thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, which automatically connects to the stronger network for uninterrupted performance. The Arlo Secure app provides real-time notifications whenever motion is detected, so you won't miss any activity. Users can also stream live video and remotely activate the integrated siren for added security. The camera features color night vision and a wide 160-degree field of view, providing full coverage of your property even in low light conditions. Arlo places a strong emphasis on privacy, ensuring that all personal data is secure and controlled by the user. One of the practical benefits of the Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight camera is its swappable battery system, allowing you to quickly replace or recharge batteries so the camera is always operational.
Number 2. Google Nest Cam Outdoor Indoor Battery. The Google Nest Cam Outdoor Indoor Battery is a versatile outdoor wireless security camera that combines intelligent monitoring with flexible installation. It can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, sending real-time alerts directly to your Google Home app, eliminating the need for a paid subscription. The camera records in 1080p HDR, offering sharp, high-quality video during the day and night. Night vision allows you to see clearly even in complete darkness. With 3 hours of free event video history, you can review past events or opt for a Nest Aware subscription to store video for up to 60 days. In the event of a power outage or Wi-Fi interruption, the Nest Cam can temporarily store up to an hour of recorded footage, ensuring no critical moment is missed. The battery-powered design means it can be placed anywhere, while the included magnetic mount or optional wall plate makes installation straightforward. The camera's weatherproof build allows for outdoor placement even in harsh conditions. Users can integrate the Nest Cam with smart devices using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to stream live video hands-free on compatible smart displays, smart TVs, or tablets. For continuous operation, the camera supports optional power cables and stands, which allow for 24/7 recording. Overall, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor Indoor Battery delivers dependable security with smart features that make it easy to monitor your home from anywhere, offering peace of mind and flexibility for both indoor and outdoor surveillance.
Number 3. Ring Stickup Cam Battery. The Ring Stickup Cam Battery is an outdoor wireless security camera designed to provide flexible surveillance for any location. As a battery-powered device, it can be placed virtually anywhere, whether mounted on a wall or sitting on a flat surface, and it connects seamlessly to your Wi-Fi network. Setup is simple, just insert the battery and connect to Wi-Fi, making it ideal for homeowners who want a hassle-free installation. With its reliable performance, flexible placement options, and smart features, the Ring Stickup Cam Battery delivers a convenient and effective solution for enhancing your home security. Its combination of live streaming, two-way communication, and cloud storage makes it a dependable choice for anyone seeking a wireless security solution that is both versatile and user-friendly.
Number 4. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. The Eufy Security SoloCam S220 is a robust outdoor wireless camera that offers high-resolution 2K video, providing sharp and detailed footage for complete home protection. With its long-lasting battery life of up to 180 days, the camera minimizes maintenance and ensures continuous monitoring without frequent recharges. It supports HomeKit compatibility, allowing seamless integration into Apple's smart home ecosystems, and features night vision for round-the-clock surveillance. Its compact design makes it unobtrusive while still delivering reliable surveillance coverage. With the combination of high-resolution video, extensive battery life, smart home integration, and no recurring fees, the Eufy Security SoloCam S220 is a highly practical and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking dependable outdoor wireless security. It delivers both convenience and advanced functionality, making it a strong competitor in the home security market.
Number 5. Wyze Cam Outdoor V2. The Wyze Cam Outdoor V2 is an innovative outdoor wireless security camera that combines flexibility, affordability, and advanced features. To operate, the camera requires a base station, which can connect up to 4 cameras for centralized monitoring. The camera features two 2600 mAh rechargeable batteries that provide 3 to 6 months of operation depending on usage, eliminating the need for constant recharging. Wyze offers both local storage through micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes and secure 14-day cloud storage via Cam+, providing flexibility in how footage is stored. Choosing the right outdoor wireless security camera can make all the difference in protecting your home and loved ones. From premium 2K HDR video and advanced motion detection to long-lasting batteries and smart app integration, these cameras offer reliable, flexible, and easy-to-install solutions. Invest in one today for peace of mind and 24/7 security coverage.